好，最尾一條 long quest 15條 all cam 嘅題目嚟嘅，咁啊呢條咧我哋有上 essay 嘅同學，你會知道呢條題目咧，我哋講啲咩暗藏玄機嘅地方啊，同埋考評可以未出嘅位置嘅，咁但係我都大概講呢條題目先啦。咁啊 with reference to 以下呢嚿嘢嘅 structure， 所以轉頭你講佢結構啦 ，SLS 係一個 subloss detergent 嚟嘅 ，explain 解釋點解佢 cleansing property 咧，嗱 cleansing property of 呢嚿嘢咧 detergent 有兩種嘅，一種咧就係 wetting property， 另外一種咧係 emulsifying property，OK， 咁佢哋兩個喺唔同嘅情況會用嘅，一個咧 wetting property 淨係講有水嘅地方啊，咁然後 emulsifying 咧就係當你有水再溝埋有油嘅時候咧，佢會發生嘅事情，所以唔係好同嘅。我先講下 wetting property 先。呢嚿嘢本身咧，佢有個 hydrophilic 嘅 head 噶嘛，係咪？嗱，呢個 detergent 溶落水之後咧，負離子嘅呢邊 ，OK， 同埋正離子嘅呢邊咧就會溶開，即係渣自己玩嘅啦。個 anything 係完全唔關事嘅。咁所以咧，我哋係講呢邊啊 ，OK， 先講下佢 wetting property 先。個特別嘅地方係咩咧？第一樣嘢啊 ，it acts as a wetting agent， 佢係一個濕潤劑嚟嘅。OK， 咁咩叫濕潤劑啊？咁啊有咩用啊 ？OK，to reduce the surface tension of water。咁所以會點啊 ？The water can spread， 佢可以擴展啦、張開啦嗰個 water droplets 啦。咁然之後咧，佢可以更加咧濕潤到你要清潔嘅東西嘅表面啦。咁呢個係 wetting agent 嘅其中一分。然後咯，我哋仲有 emulsifying agent 啊嘛。嗱 emulsifying agent 咧就真係要講佢嘅頭同埋尾係咩結構啦，再加上佢嘅情景係點嘅。咁首先咧要講下佢呢個呢一嚿嘢先。OK，SLS has a hydrophobic 驚水嘅 hydrocarbon tail 啦。咁如果你要 call 翻佢嘅話咧，1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12個 C 嘅。等等，寫好少少。C 12啦，咁所以 HS 係25，跟住有個連結喺度啊。OK， 呢個啦。OK， 所以 which can dissolve in oil 啦。while 咧佢仲有嘅 ，it has a hydrophilic， 佢係一個中意水嘅head 嘅 ionic head 嘅或者 anionic head 啦。咁如果你要 call 嘅話咧，就係首先有個 O， 跟住有 SO3 minus 嘅 head 嘅 ，which can dissolve in water 嘅。咁所以點解我咁強調wetting agent 同 emulsifying agent 係分開嘅咧？雖然答題冇叫你喺度講啦，但你可以望下，你如果一個要用喺油，一個要用喺水嘅話，咁即係話首先你嗰個要有油同埋有水啦，get 唔 get 講咩？好啦，咁當你有嚿嘢用喺個尾用喺油，個頭用喺水嘅時候咧，首先唔好搖佢先，純粹你個水咧會掂住個 detergent， 個 detergent 嘅頭啦，咁個 detergent 嘅頭會連住 detergent 嘅尾 ，detergent 嘅尾又會掂住嗰個油噶嘛，係咪？咁所以而家嘅情況會係點咧？你個兜嘢有水㗎 ，the water，OK， 個 molecules 咧佢就會 attract 到，即係我講得遠啲啊，個 water 會 attract 佢個頭啦，咁佢個頭咧就會 attract 到條尾啦，條尾會 attract 到油啦。咁簡單嚟講，就係你個頭咧會俾個水扯走咗，咁扯走咗嘅時候咧，佢亦都會帶埋個油一齊落去啊。OK，attract the ionic head and bring the oil into the water， 個油會開始入咗落個水度嘅。咁你調轉度講都得嘅，個水可以入咗落油咁都 OK 嘅。好啦，咁然後咯，仲有啊，就係你洗嘢嘅時候，你唔會就係咁樣擺喺度嘛，你會搖佢啊嘛，係咪？咁所以啦 ，by stirring， 又或者你可以講 by shaking 都得嘅。OK， 咁你嗰啲 oil 嘅 drop， 你嗰啲 oil 咧就會開始 break up 噶啦。OK， 啲 oil will break up into tiny 嘅 droplets 啦。而個重點係咧 ，and will not come over again， 佢哋唔會黐翻埋一齊嘅。咁啊 ，due to 咧 the repulsion between the negative charges of the ionic head。就係咁，咁所以基本上呢度應該全取晒啲分數啦。OK， 收隊。